Hi guys, my name is Chef Alimandri and welcome back to the Pasaka Cook-Off. Last Easter, we went head to head with Nameless and Wahoo.
Oh my God!
This year, nimesikia kuna mtu pale social media anaanza kuongea vituko kidogo, anaanza kusema kuwa anaweza kuenda head to head na mimi. Sasa ningependa tu kumwambia huyu jamaa anajichezea.
Haya, tuvurunye ndugu yangu, tuvurunye.
Mbona unaingia na hasira namna hivi? Jiko vote na nini?
Si hasira ndugu yangu, ni kujiprepare. Ningependa kuzungumza na familia ya Ali, mandugu na madada, popote mlipo. Ndugu yenu atazimia, manake nampiga na harufu, nampiga na ladha ni ladha.
Wacha nikule kitu. Alafu tuende head to head.
Sijui kama umenisikia wewe ama unanijua.
Mimi najua wewe ni mtu wa Mwakenya. Wewe
Mwakenya gani?
Wewe huwezi pika.
Kaka kama mayai na kukarangia. Vachasse lohove, wajua hiyo?
Ngoja.
Imetoka Paris.
Nikisema hivyo namaanisha uko na yule second half.
Mimi sisaidiwi bana.
Au sio? Ni aibu.
Mimi ni mtu najitegemea. Hapa ni huyu anaongea vibaya.
Sasa wajua vile mimi ni mnoma. Yaani mimi peke yangu kwa nyinyi wawili. Niwaongezee mtu mmoja mwe watatu. Alafu na mimi niwe na mwingine wawili.
Hata utatutusi. Utatutusi na tujawasha meko.
This time around we'll be joined by our super friends Joanne and Monica. They will be here to support us and at the same time to judge what we'll be making. What's in the basket is basically what you guys are going to prepare.
Right?
So hizi ndo ingredients ndio?
Yeah.
Tuendeze tukaangalie ingredients zetu.
Nimeona kitu.
Kafichi.
Madam,
wewe ni wa kwetu. Wewe umeelewa kabisa. Kuna waru hapa. Ya wewe ni wa kwetu. Mudhoni shika. Huyu akini mudhoni habari.
Alright guys, so this is what I got in the basket. With what I have here. Okay, so let's make some beef karanga, maybe a little bit stewy using the Royco mchuzi mix, and then we're gonna do some lovely creamed spinach using the Royco cubes. To make the creamed spinach, you need 1 bunch spinach shredded, 2 tomatoes diced, 1 onion sliced, half cup cooking cream, 2 Royco beef cubes. To make the beef fry or nyama ya kukanga, you need 500 gram beef cut into cubes, 2 garlic cloves, 5 tablespoons raw pawpaw puree, juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 onion sliced, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons Royco mchuzi mix, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 2 tablespoons oil, 4 tablespoons buttermilk or maziwa lala, 2 cups water.
This is what is in my basket. Cha tuoneshe huyu Mswahili kwamba hii ni viazi, hoho, vitunguu, mbili, nyanya. Babe, hebu kuja, kuna kitu hapa. Najua ni kusahau, inapotea jina. This is ice cream definitely.
No, it can't be ice cream unajua yuka. This is coconut milk. So anytime ukiona coconut na uone curry, ujue hii
inafaa kwa curry.
Yes. For coconut mutton curry, you will need 1 kg of mutton chunks, half a cup of white vinegar, 3 onions sliced, 1 green pepper, 1 blended tomato, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, a handful of fresh mint, half a cup of water, 400 milligrams of coconut milk, 2 Knorr beef cubes, and fresh chili. For the sauteed cabbage, you will need half a cabbage shredded, 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder, 2 sliced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 Knorr chicken cubes, 1 tablespoon of oil, fresh coriander for garnish.
So guys, first I'll start with preheating the oven, which I've already preheat. Then I'll put my warus. We'll put our oil first. So we'll marinate our warus with Knorr beef and onion seasoning. And I'll ask my assistant to put in the oven, which we had preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, up and below. So as our warus continues, we will continue here.
So I have my meat in here and I'm just gonna go in with my onions. I just love to caramelize onions into the mix. Well, we have the beef that's beautifully pan-seared with some onions in the mix. I'm gonna go in with a dash of garlic, and I'm gonna go in with some minced ginger and a little bit of some black pepper. Give it a good mix. I'm gonna go in with raw pawpaw. What I love about the raw pawpaw is that it literally tenderizes that meat. At this point, I'm gonna take my nyanya or tomatoes, put it into the mix. So I'm gonna go in with hoho into the mix, maziwa lala. And again, a very good tenderizer as well. And after that, I'm gonna go in with tomato paste. And then I'm gonna go in with juice of 1 lime, a little bit of some salt. Goodness! I'm gonna let this boil, and I'm gonna go and check what Terence and Millie are up to. Let's go. Okay.
Babe, tunaweka nini hapa?
Ni mimi napika ama ni wewe unapika? Nikai tu hapa.
Si mbona ni nini?
Utaweka mafuta hiyo maji ikipungua alafu weke vitunguu.
So now I'll put in my mutton. Mutton ni kodo. Hii inatoa tu maji.
Itakauka.
So guys, I will add my vinegar, 1 tablespoon. The vinegar is used to tenderize the meat. So guys, as our meat continues to tenderize with the vinegar that we have been able to heat with the fire, we'll add now, garlic. We'll add garlic so that ule mchuzi wa garlic uweze kuingia ndani. Ndio sasa zikuanishe, you know, like ziivanishe pamoja. Next, I'll add onions, and they have been able to... once you add your onion... Sio peke yako uelewi. Hii inanuka mpaka kwa kamera.
Pole. Enda tutakuita time yako.
Chakula kitamu kimemtoa nyoka ali pangoni kikamleta jikoni. Once you add your onion, now you can add Knorr. Acha tutoe hii yote. Vitu zimepanda. I'll be adding stalks of coriander, which is dania.
There we go.
Good. Mswahili atapenda, ndugu yangu ataipenda. So nitaweka mutton curry. So most of the time unakutaka mtu ameweka Knorr na amefuatanisha na chumvi. Weka Knorr kwanza uonje, ndio uone kama chumvi jatosha uongezee. Hello.
Sasa uko safe chana huyu. Lenga huyu. Tukopota ni hapa vile umefika. Unaonaje? Tuiserve kama tuweke iendelee kwa curry. Daya sawa.
Knorr shaka
kabisa, tushaweka Knorr.
Kuja ni kuonjesha kadogo usikie. Kwa ali utaonjeshwa. Shika. Onja tu usikie. Kwaje?
Uko sawa?
Ndio watangazie huko nje. Ndio waambie ali venye kunaendelea. I think by now tunaweza add coconut. I'll add 2 tablespoons. Unaonaje hiyo?
Inaweza. Koroga.
Umeipenda?
Leo tutakuwa kitu.
Unaweza add. Ongeza mint.
Babe, itakampoa.
Sana umekasikia?
Kabisa.
Ni mimi nimepika.
Nikuongezee chili, katakati chili.
Chili katakata 2. Tukule, aliyekikuja ongeza 6. So I'll add hohos, which is my last ingredient. So hoho hatutawacha iive sababu si viazi. Hoho ni ya kustimiwa. Watu wa Maragwa tuko pamoja.
Jamaa huko. Wacha tuone. Let's do this. So at this point, I'm gonna take my secret ingredient, which is definitely the Royco mchuzi mix, and this is tomato, ginger, and garlic. You wanna dilute this because you cannot just go straight ahead with the powdered product into the mix. It's gonna create lumps. So you wanna dilute it really well, and then you wanna go with this beautiful stuff into your curry. Give it a good mix. Now you wanna bring this to a boil, cook it further so that it thickens, and then your rojo will just be fantastic. Goodness! I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna take my other pan, and then we're gonna make our cream spinach. So here's the thing. First thing, I'm gonna take a little bit of some oil, and then the onion's gonna go into my pan. Hey there! Good. Wait, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it into. And again, the secret ingredient is my beef cube to enhance the flavor, and it is definitely iron fortified, which is really, really good.
So, why didn't you add salt?
So here's the thing, the Royco beef cube already has salt. And that's why you hear people complaining whenever they add the Royco and then they add extra salt. Wanasema, hii sukuma yangu ama spinach yangu iko na chumvi mob. So since we said it's cream spinach, we're gonna take our fresh cream, we're gonna put it into the mix.
Virungu. So kakiendelea hivyo kakitunguu, we will add our chicken cube. The chicken. Eh? Hakuna kungua, ni pan ilikuwa imepata moto kidogo, so ni nini?
Nitakuwekea next sasa.
Niweke nyanya.
Haya.
Niweke yote. Haya, weka hohos. You see the colors? Kidogo tu unanikimbiza. Unanikimbizia mimi. Weka kadogo.
Recipe ni yangu.
Eh?
Recipe ni yangu. Koroga.
So guys, I've been intruded here.
Nikusaidie?
Nisaidie chumvi.
Mbona unataka iko sawa? Shika ya taste na hii. Yeke chumvi. Niongeze.
Hii sitahitaji ive sana,
It's okay now. It's okay.
Thank you so much for your time and I hope you have enjoyed our recipe. We will be plating in a few. Tukutane kwa sahani.
I didn't expect this.
From him, right? From him.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the winner here?
I'm torn in between.
The two of us.
Yeah.
And you?
I think both are equally good too, honestly.
Hapo ndio mali. Mtajua ilikuwa Pasaka. Kuleni. Hakuna competition hapa Chef Ali. I love learning new recipes every time.
Me too, and I realize you don't have to struggle with complicated things. Just get the best. Chukua Knorr yako hapo nje kwa kiosk, tengeneza, then you feel the magic,
Exactly.
the flavor and
I'm a
everything.
Royco, right?
Yeah.
For me, I didn't feel like it was a competition. I felt like I've learned a new recipe.
I would say one of the best Pasaka ever that went head to head with Chef Ali, and I love it. So at the end of the day, it was just fantastic, and I would do this again and again. It's Easter!
Happy Pasaka!